In this video, you'll learn how to delete your Taskrabbit account. This process involves navigating through the Taskrabbit dashboard and confirming your decision to delete your account permanently. Start by opening your web browser and entering the Taskrabbit website address. Once the page loads, look for the option to log in. You will need to enter your credentials to access your account. If you are already logged in, you can skip this step. After logging in, you will be directed to the Taskrabbit dashboard. Here, locate the account option, which can be found in the top right corner of the screen or in the sidebar, depending on your layout. Click on Accounter to proceed to the account settings page. Once you are on the account settings page, scroll down until you see the option labeled Delete Account. This option is usually positioned towards the bottom of the page. Click on Delete Account to initiate the deletion process. After clicking Delete Account, a confirmation prompt will appear asking you to confirm your decision. This step is crucial as deleting your account is irreversible. Click on Delete Account again in this confirmation dialog to finalize your request. Ensure that you have considered the implications of this action, as all your data will be permanently removed. Once you confirm the deletion, you may see a message indicating that your account is being processed for deletion. Depending on the system's response, this may take a few moments. Ensure that you do not navigate away from the page until you receive confirmation that your account has been successfully deleted. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.